warm up nicely. Right now we start into the low to mid 40s. The wind chills, like I say, are just above freezing because of these north winds. But the forecast for today is temperatures in the 50s. Now, Christmas Eve tomorrow, we're going to be around 60. We're going to be in the 60s on Christmas Day, so mild conditions here as we go into the holiday. There is a slight chance of rain on Christmas Day. It's probably going to be more in the form of drizzle, even in the morning hours as we're opening up presents and then getting out and enjoying the day a little bit. There's going to be a few showers around. So it's not going to be a washout Christmas Day at all, and temperatures will be mild. Now, we'll be in the mid-60s on Wednesday, but Wednesday's problem is that there's strong thunderstorms in the forecast on Wednesday, and more about that in just a moment. Now, you see the clear skies overhead right now, a little bit of a winter storm moving across Missouri, bringing lake snows over in the Lake of the Ozarks. But this low, not a problem. It's going to Canada. This low right here is headed here, and it's going to bring in some significant weather, I'm afraid. But future sky forecast for the morning, we've got this north wind through the day and the sunshine, so temperatures do warm up. We warm up into the upper 50s. About 10 degrees cooler than it was yesterday, but we'll have that north wind keeping us cool. Now, as we go into Monday morning, there'll be a chill in the air. We'll be in the 30s instead of in around 40 like we are this morning. So a much colder morning tomorrow. Well, not much colder, but a colder morning. And then on Monday, tomorrow, we're going to get temperatures in the 60s thanks to this south wind, so we will be slightly warmer. The clouds thicken up, and as we go through the overnight hours into Christmas Day, we're going to have a little bit of light rain around, a few showers, but we're only talking about 20% chance. It's the next day that is of a concern. Now, remember, 3 years ago, we had a tornado outbreak after the warmest Christmas on record. It was 3 years ago, Christmas hit 80 degrees. And now this year, we're talking about some strong thunderstorms arriving the day after Christmas again, 3 years later. Now, this low-pressure system is going to be driving into the Central Plains, so I stopped it here Wednesday afternoon because there's going to be some rain around, and this is actually going to help the situation. This might keep things a little bit cooler and keep things from getting too dramatic as the fronts come through in the evening hours, because the threat of severe weather is at the end of the day and into Wednesday night. Again, this is the day after Christmas we're talking, and the strong thunderstorms during the late afternoon and evening hours. There's going to certainly be some heavy rain with this, and the possibility of some isolated flooding. As we go into Thursday morning, I think we'll wake up in the morning with the rain mostly off to the east of the Metroplex. We have a few showers in the forecast for Thursday, but that's early on. It's really Wednesday night we think we bear the brunt from this. Strong thunderstorms certainly possible ahead of the front. It looks like hail damage and winds, even isolated tornadoes a possibility. Still several days away. We'll be keeping you posted. We certainly have a flooding risk as well with this scenario. Probably have some heavy rain setting up by Wednesday afternoon that goes into Thursday morning. But here you are with the 7-day forecast with temperatures in the 60s across this whole event. And then the cold air arrives. By the time we get to Thursday, we're only in the 50s. But it gets colder than that. We'll be into the 40s on Saturday. New Year's Eve looks like it'll also be a day in the 40s.